How to enable picture-in-picture on Android phone. So if you have an Android phone and you want to turn on picture-in-picture, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't have this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The essence of picture-in-picture is if you're watching a particular video on your phone, maybe on YouTube or a random video on social media, and now you want to minimize the video and let the video show up on your phone screen while you perform other tasks, then you need to turn on what is called PIP or picture-in-picture on your Android phone. Now what you need to do here is go to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on apps. Now once you selected apps, you'll be taken to your Android phone apps. Click on the three dots at the top right, then locate special access and click on that. Now once you selected special access, scroll down until you get to picture-in-picture or PIP, then click on that. Once you selected picture-in-picture, here you want to select the application where you want to use picture-in-picture. So if you want to use it in any of these applications, just make sure they are toggled on, so that whenever you're using this application, the PIP is going to work. Then once that is done, then you can now exit the page. However, if the picture is not available on your phone app page, just click on the search button on your phone and search for picture-in-picture. Then you should see where to access the picture-in-picture on your phone under special access, and then grant the access that is needed. So when next you are now watching video on your phone and I want to minimize the video with the head of picture-in-picture, you can easily do that. So that is it. So when next you are watching the video on your phone with the head of picture-in-picture, you can easily go ahead, minimize the video, and then start doing something else on your phone. Is that? So that is basically how to enable picture-in-picture on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.